Okay, I tried to do a live on YouTube. It said my camera, my account does not meet the requirements, but okay, we'll start it off like this. No complaints. I'm out here in the park, still on my journey of exercising, eating healthy out here in Southern California with Smoothie Boo. Right. So, get myself together. Step out as Monique steps, taking it one step at a time. On live, July 17th, 2020.
Tomorrow will be, the anniversary of your divorce.
Yep.
Amen.
Yep. I released and let go a lot of stuff on the way here. So, I'm just excited to be here and to continue on my journey. I'm ready to get things going, get things started on my businesses. Out here in nature, connecting with nature, my spirit guides, ancestors, and my angels. I send out love and healing to those needed the most. And I think that's about it. All I can say for right now. So, I'm just trying to see, add some more things to my repertoire. My portfolio.
Okay.
Is your legs burning yet?
Nope.
Mine is doing that little burn. It's like, oh, she's exercising, she's moving. Yeah, we got to get back on it. So, I want to go from the house instead of doing it over there. Go to the park, somewhere different. We like to ride in our new car. Yeah. But anyway, peace and love to everyone that watches this. I thank y'all for even taking time to watch it. Love you. Bye-bye.